Okay, we're dried up pretty good now. I think we're ready to do the top coat on it. I'm gonna use my small knife to put it on. Normally I use a big one, but instead of dirtying my tub up, I'm gonna try to work this one out and get some compound on there with my small knife. Kind of like that. Now I'm going to take the bigger trowel and go back over. Okay, kind of like that, and we'll let that thin coat hopefully dry pretty quick. Then we'll do a little light sanding on it and then a final coat, and that little hole will be finished. Back with you in a little bit. Okay, it's starting to dry down pretty good now. You can look out here around where I started. Getting white and caulky looking. That's what we want. This in here still a little wet. I'll have to wait till that dries to see how it comes out, and then hopefully just a little bit of light sanding on it, and that'll probably be it. May have to go back and put one more top coat over the whole thing again, and but there'll be very little compound put on, and probably not hardly any sanding involved in the finish. But that's about it. If I got enough battery left here when this dries, we'll sand it and see what it looks like, and see whether we need to do one more coat on it. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is drying out pretty good. Don't think I'm gonna have to go back over it at all. Don't know if you can see it or not. kind of right through there. There's a little trowel mark in it, and just a slight one up here. But I think that's gonna pretty well have it. Once it dries, I'll probably stop back in a few days or tomorrow if I get a chance, and sand that little bit there. And but that's how it's done. Thanks.